Hey everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC for sale. I'm going to do a quick video walk-around tour, show you some of the features, and then if you're interested in learning anything else or even setting up a test drive, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So we've got a black exterior, got a beige interior, sunroof. Go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 19,454. We have a push button ignition. So you can see we got this really nice wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle. Definitely really sharp, really nice with the black and the beige accents. Here we have our display currently showing radio and backup camera. And you can control your display using your steering wheel controls here. You also have the dial here as well. You can turn and then actually push down to select. Below our display, we've got our climate controls here. You've also got some buttons to access some of the different functions on the display, such as your vehicle settings, or going back to radio. We've got our cup holder here, wireless charging pad for a cell phone, as well as USB connection. Next to your dial here to make adjustments on the display, you also have your dynamic select switch. This is how you can switch between different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. Okay, last but not least, our Mercedes-Benz shifter. And we'll go ahead and hop out and show you the rest of the vehicle. Okay, so we have our rear seats here next. Another look at your sunroof. And another look back up front. Coming around to the back, we have our C300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Got a power opening and closing trunk. Some all-weather mats back here. And push button to close. And if you're interested in learning more about any of the features or even setting up a test drive of this 2020 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.